We're inside the Custom Trailboss today. I'm going to show you some differences on this compared to a LT Trailboss. Starting left to right, there's going to be where your tow haul mode's located at. You still get the 2-speed transfer case. Lights for the back, your dimmer for your instrument panel, as well as your automatic headlights. I'll scroll over here to show you where the driver information center is, where there's no buttons on the Custom. Everything's this little dial right there. So you can turn him. It shows your speed, trip 1, trip 2, fuel range till empty, tire pressures, oil life, air filter life, brake pad life, transmission fluid temperature, trailer brake. We'll show you where your gain's listed at when you're towing something heavy. Engine hours, units. You can change this to US or metric, and then a blank page. Most people will just leave this guy up to here, to the speed, how fast they're going. It's pretty nice. All your gauges. This model will not have the auto stop feature on it. You have to go to the LT model to have that. You also get a key on here. The key also has your remote start on there and your power release tailgate. It's just in an actual key. There's all your gauges. Wipers are right there. The little button will shoot the washer fluid out. We'll go over here to the screen. Still get your touch radio. You can have the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay work in concert with your smartphone. This model does have Sirius XM, which is pretty cool. You get a trial for 3 months with XM. Has an optional OnStar trial for 30 days. There's the location of your integrated trailer brake controller. Pretty popular feature around these parts. Your USB-C, USB, and accessory power there, like your old style cigarette lighter style plug. And your hill descent control is right there. And then right here is your tailgate. It lowers the tailgate. If you're picking up some groceries, you just want to throw them in the back, you push that button, it'll lower the tailgate. Hazards and your traction control and stability control off button. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that real quick. I don't think I've ever shown that. So what happens when you hit this button right here on your driver information center, you tap it, the button once, you're going to see this little TC. That just means your traction control is turned off. Now if you hold this same button down, it's going to turn off your stability control. You're like, why would I do that? Well, if you're in mud or snow, you want those wheels to spin at different speeds. That prevents the system getting involved in hitting your brakes while you're trying to get out of that rut. I'll go ahead and turn it back on. By default, GM models, when you start the vehicle up, will automatically turn traction control on. This is another cool feature they did for 21 on these guys. Everybody's like, oh I don't have my armrest won't open. Now they open. You had to get an LT on 2020 models to get that. So it's nice to have the armrest back with the storage in there, even on the Custom model. I went over this before. This strap allows the seat to be lowered when it's in the upright position, like it is now. See, if I pull on this guy here, he ain't going nowhere. Pull him right there, and that'll let him down. Crew cab, you have plenty of room in these. On this model, it's a Custom. You still have the rear vents, and a lot of people overlook this, but there's vents down here too. Always have been. Just have extra ones now. Seats, nothing to it to raise them up. You just lift up, and you can see there's more room. Of course, your tools for your spare, your jacks under that passenger side seat. Another overlook feature is right here. For better visibility, these head restraints can get out of your way so you can actually see there's a pretty significant difference with those down. There's another overlook feature. That's your rear cargo lamps. I'm going to turn that on. You'll see a little light here. Say cargo lamps enabled. I'll do that again. Right there. Now they're enabled. Come back here, I'll show you the lights. You can see them. Turns this guy on. Turns this guy on. So at nighttime if you're backing up. See how bright these guys are. See, they aim inside the bed. And of course you have the one up top. And of course when you get the Trailboss with the bigger engine, you're going to get the dual exhaust tips on the rear bumper. Almost forgot one other really cool feature on these Silverados 2019 and up. They've added the trailering information to the B pillar. The B pillar on a vehicle is the second pillar where the door's at. I'll go ahead and zoom in and show you this particular one. Your conventional trailer weight is 9,400 pounds. It's pretty cool.